blink, everyone blinks, so I might blink too. It's just sad that we ride this slow on such a nice road. It's a little bit of waste in my opinion, but I guess it's for the suicide. Against the suicide, sorry. I mean, for the message to not suicide, but against suicide in general. No way we can drag me this slow. I guess it's nice having the time to look at things. They get more time to enjoy the bad weather. In the beginning I thought we were a little bit more people, but I guess since it's not that warm anymore and it should rain right now actually. So yeah. Come on, let's go! You can do it! What a stunning view! I believe today Pickwood will again make photos of people, so when that happens I will keep a little bit of distance between the others, so in order for me to get a nice photo just of myself. The more the merrier, and maybe we will have some people. And on this trip there is one person with an electric bike. I believe he said he had 2 other bikes at home. One Harley Roadster or something like that. I don't know anything about Harley, but I guess something more comfy. And then he also has a Ducati 797. I guess he talks about Ducati Monster, but yeah. He said his electric bike is 5 years in his possession. He gets around 150 to 200 kilometers of range, so in theory similar to my M1000R, but he needs about 1 hour of charging time, which is quite a lot. It would be a little bit too much for my taste. I believe today I will not have to worry about getting a ticket. With the speed we're going at, there will be no problem of getting a ticket. Well, today I wanted MG Gusta Bro or Brutality to come with me, but sadly, what means sadly, he has a daughter, a little one, and today he spends the day with her, which is really nice and cute. I hope he has a very nice day with his daughter, and that for the next time he has a little bit more time. I really do love the message of this bike meet. By the way guys, another thing I wanted to ask you, do you watch my videos frequently, each video when it comes out, or every now and then? I was wondering that. Please update me on your feelings about the videos. Do you enjoy more these motovlogs or the pure sound videos? Because I thought also about buying myself a Osmo 5 Pro and another mic too, and on the Osmo 5 you can connect 2 DJI wireless mics, so I could use one to capture the sound of the bike, the other one to capture the voice, and I could make a video with pure sound and one with voice and sound, and I wanted to get your opinion on that. But for now, I believe it's okay. I don't earn any money, and yeah. Wow, I've never been this slow on the Mendel. Never, not even with my Aprilia 660 with 48 horsepower. I believe the Pro here doesn't have a catalytic converter, since I can smell his exhaust. Or it is such an old bike that there is nothing. Oh no, his exhaust seems straight pipe to me. Oh yeah, I am not seeing a catalytic converter, except for if it is in the final exhaust, in the muffler. Somehow this road seems a little bit narrower to me as usual. Wow, that bike is really loud. I am thinking about upgrading to a SC project, the small one, because it sounds just way better. I would love to test different exhausts on my bike, but I don't have the money for that. We disturbed them by from eating McDonald's. Someone drifted. Okay. I told bro that there's big mood. Ah, nope. Nope. No big mood today. I guess they didn't come because there would have been bad weather in theory, but until now the weather stayed really good. Wow, weather tasks are useless as fuck. I feel like in the riding school. We're going so fucking slow. Hello. Is that bike in front of us? Is it a Yamaha? Is it a... I don't know. I believe it isn't a Harley. Or is it? I don't know. I don't know. I just want to get to the top. Riding like this is no fun. No fun at all. R1 driver. He has probably a lot of weight on his wrist since he has a passenger princess with him. But yeah. Riding so slow makes no fun. I know why I don't like riding in big groups. My tires will get cold if I continue like this. No wonder it's at 90 kilometers in 2 hours. If we go like this, okay, We might take 3 hours. Okay, Dumpton is closed for whatever reason. They said they want to ride slow to appreciate the view, but when the weather is like this, there is not much